was written by
Elizabet, Max, David, and this is our story!
And it's called Joe Lydon Didn't Go to the 3rd Grade.
My name is Joe. I'm just a kid, you know. Life has been tough. Things are not going my way. I used to go to Sunset Valley Elementary, but now I'm living on the side of the highway. Last year, I was living over here in a house by the school, just me and my mom. Then the weather got strange and everything changed in a couple of days. My whole life went wrong. There was a
tropical depression,
a big crazy storm.
Tropical depression,
shook the windows and the doors.
Tropical depression, tropical depression.
By the time it was gone, I had bed in the deck, and the house was a wreck. We were barely hanging on, and then
Mahamed Ali
came over to our house.
Mahamed Ali
Had some anger to get out.
Mahamed Ali, Mahamed Ali.
He was punching everything. There was no time to adjust. Now our TV was broken, and our house had turned to dust. And then I knew I could clearly see what I had to do, what my life could be. If I could skip 3rd grade, we could fix our house, my mom and me. If I could skip 3rd grade, we could build it back how it used to be. Then I'd have it made. If I could skip 3rd grade.
Teachers wouldn't let
How I begged and prayed.
Teachers wouldn't let
You can't skip 3rd grade.
Teachers wouldn't let him. Teachers wouldn't let him.
We have 2 jobs in this place. Number 2 is to teach you. Number 1 is to keep you safe.
He has to escape.
I crawled through the vents.
He has to escape.
I snuck under the guarded fence. I was out. I was finally free. I said goodbye to Sunset Valley Elementary. Now I can skip 3rd grade. We can fix our house, my mom and me. Now I can skip 3rd grade. Now I'll have it made. I needed to get to Home Depot for supplies, and every day I tried and I tried, but it was just too hard for a homeless kid. I'm living by the highway. This is it.
Then he met a psychic.
Hi, my name is Linda.
Then he met a psychic.
Wait, I have a vision.
Listen to the psychic. Listen to the psychic.
I see a crowd celebrating for a great event. They're celebrating you. You've been elected president. Keep dreaming, Joe Lydon.
10 years later, I walked into a store, and there I saw something playing on the TV. They said they need a president, someone to lead. I thought about Linda. I remembered the prophecy. Then I knew I could clearly see what I had to do, what my life could be.
Joe, 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 Joe.
Vote for me, and I'll give every homeless person $1 zillion. And I rule the world. I wanted to fix my mom and me, and now I rule the world. Now I want to help everybody, every boy and girl.
Every boy and girl.
Now I rule the world. Oh, yeah!
The end.
We are the Story Wranglers.